Marcus.
Marcus what?
Marcus Jr.
Marcus Jr. Hello. Which experiment are we doing today?
Make raisins dance.
The dancing raisins?
Yep.
Awesome. So what are we gonna do? What are these?
Cups.
Okay. What are we gonna do with them?
Make raisins dance.
We're gonna make raisins dance?
Yeah.
And how are we gonna do that?
With two cups of soda.
2 cups of soda.
And 1 bottle of water.
And 1 bottle of water.
Yeah.
So we have the soda water here, right? And the flat regular water here, right?
Okay.
And we need one more ingredient, right?
Yeah.
What's that?
Raisins.
Raisins. Awesome. So what do you think we should do first?
I think first we gotta put some soda.
How about before that? What do you think is gonna happen? What is your hypothesis?
I think when you put the raisins in the regular water, it's not gonna dance.
It's not gonna dance?
No.
And what's gonna happen on the other one?
It's gonna dance with the bubbles.
Oh, yeah?
And then when it sinks to the and then when it sinks down, the bubbles are gonna pop.
Oh, they're gonna pop?
Yeah.
At the bottom or at the top?
At the bottom.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, let's do our experiment and see. Do you want to open one of them? Do you know how to open the can?
Yeah.
Be careful, okay? Safety first. Let me know if you need help.
I need help.
Okay, pass it over here. I'll open it for you. Ready? It's okay.
Huh?
That's it. Do you want to pour it?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure when you pour that you hold the cup so it doesn't fall over.
Like this?
Correct. And the
You
cup.
see the bubbles?
You see the bubbles?
Yeah.
You can pour it a little faster if you want.
I think we need some more.
Do you want some more?
Yeah.
Alright, let me open this one for you.
Oh!
Oh. Make sure you hold the cup so it doesn't fall. Oh, that's a lot of bubbles.
It's going all the way to the top.
Alright. You want to taste it?
No, thank you.
No. Alright,
Okay, it's
so
done.
we have one type of water now. What's the other water?
Regular water.
Regular water?
Yeah. Flat water.
Some people call it flat water.
Flat water. I'm
Because
gonna call it
doesn't
flat
have
water.
doesn't have any bubbles.
I'm gonna call it flat water.
Okay. Let's not do that with our teeth. Thank you.
Welcome. I'm gonna pour it.
Good job.
See? There's no bubbles.
Interesting.
Yeah, interesting.
That's a good observation.
Yeah. That's enough. Okay.
Alrighty, so what are we gonna do next?
Some bubbles.
So
Put
on
some
our instructions for the experiment,
We gotta
the first step is to pour clear soda into a clear cup, and then we're gonna put 10 raisins into the soda cup. Can you count 10 raisins on the paper here?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm halfway there.
Are you more than halfway there?
8. 8, 9.
How many more?
One more.
Very good.
10.
Alrighty. Do you want to count 10 for your flat water too? Let's do 10 more.
Wait, not yet.
Let's do 10 more on the flat water side so we have them ready for the next one, okay?
Okay. Alright. You do it, please. You do this
Here,
one.
I'll dump them out and then you can count them. Okay?
Okay.
Can you count 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, first
Let's make
this
sure.
one.
We have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Very good. And these will
Okay.
go back in the box for later.
Okay.
Alrighty, so we're gonna put 10 raisins, one
In
at
the
a
soda.
time, in the soda cup. Whoa.
What's it gonna do? It's floating!
Whoa!
It's dancing!
Are they dancing?
Yeah!
You got one up at the top.
Woo!
Let's see.
I'm gonna taste some. Can I taste some
Hold
of
on,
this?
let's check and see.
When all of the raisins goes down, all of the bubbles start to pop. Okay, now I'm gonna put this one. One more. They're not floating,
They're not floating?
and these aren't be floating.
What observations can you make? What do you see with your senses? Or what do you observe with your senses?
When the bubbles goes on here, everything starts to float
Why do you think that happens?
because this is bubble water.
It's bubble water?
Yeah.
And what are the bubbles doing to the raisins? What do you see happening?
Pop. They're popping.
They're popping?
Yeah.
I think they pop when they get to the top. And then the bubbles popping makes them fall back down. And what about in the flat water? What do you see happening?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
It's kind of boring in there, right?
Yeah, it's kind of boring in there. Can I try some?
You want to try some what?
Try some of this soda.
You want to drink it?
Yeah.
Yeah, try drinking it.
How do I take all of these raisins out?
Hmm?
How do I take all of these raisins
You can
out?
drink it with the raisins in there. It's not gonna hurt you. It's just water. You feel the bubbles popping?
Yeah.
Drink it.
It's going right in my face.
Close your eyes.
So bubbly.
And what about this one? Do you want to try this one? We can't do this for all experiments, but this one we can.
It doesn't taste bubbly.
No.
No.
So, what did you learn?
About the bubbles. Why are the raisins not going up again?
They're going. I think the bubbles are just kind of calming down a little bit. Maybe the party's almost over.
The party's almost over. I see them moving.
Yeah, they're moving.
Why?
I wonder. I'm curious. Anything else? Did you like the experiment?
Yeah.
Very cool. High five. Say bye.
Bye.